Are you ready to end the year with a bang and kickstart your portfolio in December 2024? In this video, I'm revealing 5 must-have stocks that I'm personally buying right now. These picks could set you up for a strong 2025. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I share insights on stocks, investing strategies, and tips to grow your wealth. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 stock picks for December 2024. These are not just any stocks, they're my personal buys, carefully chosen based on market trends, growth potential, and long-term value. Let's jump into it. First up, NexTech Systems hypothetical example. This tech company is leading the AI revolution with groundbreaking innovations. Their AI-powered solutions are being adopted by major industries, and the stock has seen steady growth despite market fluctuations. Why I'm buying? With AI projected to dominate in 2025, NexTech has massive growth potential. Key stats: revenue growth is up 30% this year, and they've secured partnerships with top global companies. This is one to hold for the long run. Second on my list is GreenVolt Energy. With the world transitioning to cleaner energy, GreenVolt is a leader in solar and wind power solutions. Why I'm buying? Governments worldwide are investing heavily in renewable energy, and GreenVolt is positioned to benefit from these trends. Key stats: their latest quarterly earnings beat expectations, and they've expanded operations to 3 new continents this year. Sustainable energy equals sustainable profits. Next, let's talk about MedTech Solutions. This healthcare company specializes in advanced medical devices and telemedicine. Why I'm buying? The aging population and increasing demand for healthcare innovation make this a no-brainer. Key stats: their new product launch is expected to double their revenue next year, and analysts are bullish about their future. Healthcare stocks provide stability and growth, 2 things every portfolio needs. Fourth, we have ShopEasy Inc, a rising star in the e-commerce space. Why I'm buying? As online shopping continues to boom, ShopEasy is revolutionizing how we shop with their AI-driven recommendation systems and same-day delivery services. Key stats: revenue growth has been exponential, with projections of 40% growth in 2025. Don't sleep on e-commerce, it's the future of retail. Last but not least is PayLink Technologies, a company transforming how we handle digital payments and banking. Why I'm buying? With the rise of cashless transactions and blockchain integration, PayLink is a major player in this space. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more investment insights, and share your favorite stock in the comments below. See you in the next video.